Hello learners, this is Mrs. Gross in your Introduction to Agricultural Science class. This is Module 2 for the History of Agriculture, and today we're going to be covering the development of agriculture and society. This lesson really touches on the history of agriculture, including those people who made significant impacts and the different events in agriculture throughout the years. It also includes technology and how it's changed over the years to allow us to increase more quantities of food and feed our ever-growing population of the world. So as today, our learner objectives are to summarize the different areas of agriculture history. And that includes 250 years ago, 200 years ago, 150 years ago, and then today's agricultural industry. We're going to recognize impactful historical agricultural inventions and events. And we're also going to summarize how technology influenced factors such as labor, efficiency, diversity, availability, mechanization, communication, and so forth. Let's take a look at our agenda. So the first thing you could have done was a preliminary quiz that allowed you to see how you know the information or if you need to work on it. After that, there was a discussion for a timeline of impactful life events, and there was an intro video to that as well. After that, we're going to do a small lecture on the development of agriculture and society. After that, there's a video and article followed by a required discussion that ties into that. Then there's part 2 of the lecture, followed up by a newspaper article that you're going to create as if you're living in the times about a significant agriculture invention or event. And then followed by a mini quiz, which is optional to see if you grasp the information. So with that, we will move on to part 1 of lecture.